So guys, in this video we are going to show how you can add a comment section in your WordPress single post page. So if we go on the WordPress single page view, as you can see, there is a title, there is author name, there is date, and then there is an image, then there is some content. But inside all this post we need to add a comment section here. We are not we didn't include this. So in this video I am going to show you how you can include a comment section in WordPress single post. Okay, then firstly you have to go to the code and then go to single.php. It's because that we want to show the comment section in our single page view post viewer. So we're going to do this from here. So we're going to take a div. So div classes, so for example, call and retain, then offset md1. Okay, we took the div, and then inside this we need to take a php tag. Okay, inside the php tag we need to use a small function, a small built-in php function. The php function is comments template. Okay, we are done. So as you can see that we took a div, inside the tool we need a php tag, inside the php tag we took a built-in php function which is complete comment template. So this is it. This is how you can add a comment section in php tag. But this I'm telling you before the preview is start. I'm showing you because it is a very ugly format. So let's go to the posts and now reload this. As you can see, then we got a comment section. So we got a name section, we got an email, we got a website, and then we got this is so as you can see, this is a very ugly option. So we are going to style this by WordPress. So let's see how we can. Okay, so this is our comment section that we added by built-in PHP function. So I'm going to add a comment here, which is comment. Okay, then I have to put my name. My name is Sajjad. Sorry, Sajjad. Email sajjad@gmail.com. And website, I don't have any website, so posters, as you can see, this is it. So this is so ugly. We will customize this with css. We will show it later. So this is how you can upload, but this is the one important thing you need to know, which is that. Okay, then firstly go to WordPress admin dashboard, which is wp admin. Okay, okay, as you can see, so this is the posts. Okay, firstly we need to go to the home page, home URL. This is our home URL, this is our posts. So this is important, which is that we need to add a functionality here. Okay. As you can see, firstly you have to allow the comment section from your screen option settings. So I allowed this. So then show comments, this is the comments. So as you can see, this is also showing from my WordPress admin. So firstly I need to approve this, then it will show on WordPress my site. Then now reload this. As you can see, this is showing. Otherwise this has not been shown. So I hope you understand this. Thank you.